Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to International Seminar of Engineering and Management 2020. I am Wawan Tripiawan, will presenting my research with the title Designing Bank Guarantee Website Tracking Model Using UML. The author of this research are Wawan Tripiawan, SV Diana, and Yeni from Industrial Engineering Telkom University. This is the agenda inside my presentation. Let's move to the first agenda. Based on UU number 10, 1998, bank is a business institution that receives funding from the society in the form of deposit and channels it to the society in the form of credit and other form. One of the credit facility given by the bank is bank guarantee. The purpose of bank guarantee is to ensure the transaction between the parties outside the bank from the possible risks that may emerge. According to data source, this company have a website for bank guarantee. Although there is a website for this bank guarantee, but the website itself does not facilitate the tracking of the bank guarantee certificate. Thus, we need to develop or enhance the website to take the tracking of the bank guarantee certificate. Within the development of this website, we use three tools. First, interview, and second is SWOT analysis, and the third one is UML language. The objective of this research is bank guarantee is a form of credit facility that is given by the bank. The function of bank guarantee itself to prevent default or inability of the guaranteed party to fulfill the responsibility. Therefore, there is a need to further develop the website to facilitate the tracking of bank guarantee. After analyzing the current system, then designing the proposed system model to track bank guarantee and also making display mockup of the proposed tracking system for bank guarantee. So we have the problem formulation, how to develop the website to facilitate the tracking of bank guarantee. This is our research model. First, we make an interview within the internal organization. After we get the interview, we create SWOT analysis and making of SWOT matrix, and then with this analysis, we create mockup creation using UML language. First, inside the data collecting, we conduct the interview within the internal organization. Interview will give us the powerful tools in eliciting narrative data, and then we use it to investigate people's view in a greater depth. In a similar vein, interviewing is a valuable method to explore the construction and negotiation of meaning in a natural setting. After we get the interview, we create SWOT analysis and SWOT metric. SWOT is a true evaluation regarding the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat of a company that is used to observe the internal and external marketing environment. This picture shows us the template or the default setting for SWOT analysis. There are two internal factor, strength and weakness, and also two external factor, opportunity and threat. These factors are generally divided into two, which are internal and external. Just like I said before, the internal factor are factor from the company. The external factor are factor from outside of the company. After we get the data, and then we will use UML to create a mockup creation. UML is a universal language that is used to illustrate in detail a certain system in form of model. The purpose to the model using UML is to understand how the system behaves. From this model, we can create new system. Okay, the data processing. After we get the interview, the result of the interview process and SWOT analysis will be shown in four components. There are strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats inside this organization. Our research are in PT XYZ Eastern Java Distribution Unit. This is the SWOT result. First, from the internal factor, there are two factors, strength and weakness. In strength, there are two results. There are first, there are human resource in IT, which means this company have its own IT division. Second, new ideas are welcome. In weakness, there are four results. First, data regarding bank guarantee cannot be accessed real time using another device. Second, data must always be backed up to prevent data loss when the device keeping it has a problem. Third, data can be accessed by anybody that use the device that store in the data. This is a security issue. And the fourth, system to search and track back the bank guarantee must still be done one by one. Yeah, this is the difficulty to search the bank guarantee with the old date. And from external, there are two category, opportunity and threat. In opportunity, there are two results: technological development and further development can be applied to the website that have already been developed and available. In threat, losing bank guarantee can cause loss for both vendor and the company itself. So from this SWOT result, it will generate 4 strategy: SO strategy, strength and opportunity strategy; and WO strategy, weakness and opportunity strategy; ST strategy, strength and threat strategy; and the last one is WT strategy. In SO strategy, there are 2 results. Human resource in the IT division can be used to develop new system by proposing the idea regarding the new system. Second one, the available website regarding the bank guarantee can be further developed with the help of human resource from the IT division. And in WO strategy, there are also 2 results. First, tracking system can make use of this technology to make website thus the bank guarantee can be searched through the website. And then tracking system can be further developed in the website that is already available. In the ST strategy, strength and threat strategy, to prevent the loss of bank guarantee, the IT division can help develop the new system so that the bank guarantee can easily be traced from the coming in of the verified bank guarantee until it is taken back by the vendor. In the WT strategy, the tracking system that has already been applied can be further developed to minimize the probability of loss of data and loss of the bank guarantee itself. So from that result, we create a mockup design using UML. Based on the need, there are 4 use cases that is wanted in the website. First is availability to input the data or new data of bank guarantee. Second one, to edit the input data. Third is to delete the data. And fourth, to view the data. This is the example of a login page and the login activity diagram. And after we log in, this is the home page of a bank guarantee tracking system. Yeah, you can see there are bank guarantee list here. We can create new input of bank guarantee, and then after we input, we can edit it or delete the data. And then if we want to search the bank guarantee, we just fill in this form to search the bank guarantee, and after we click search, it will find several data that related with our search inside the system. So this is our result. There is a need to make a web-based tracking system to ease the tracking of bank guarantee. Why do we need this? First, to prevent the difficulty of knowing the location in which the bank guarantee is kept, and second, loss of the misplacement of bank guarantee can cause loss both for the guaranteed party and also PT XYZ Eastern Distribution Unit. Thank you. That's all my presentation.